Hello students, I am Prasanna, your SST teacher. So the previous class we studied about the meaning of democracy, what is democracy and the meaning of democracy. Today we study about development in India, democracy development in India. So democracy in ancient India established before 6th century BC prior to the birth of Gautama Buddha. These republicans were known as Mahajanapadas. Do you know about this Mahajanapadas? So हमारे इंडिया में से how many Mahajanapadas है? 16 Mahajanapadas. Then and among the state Vaishali. Then at present वैशाली किधर है अभी? At present in बिहार में. देन फर्स्ट हमारा डेमोक्रेसी इंडिया में एंशियंट इंडिया में किधर डेवलपमेंट हो गए? वैशाली में. देन अभी एट प्रेजेंट वैशाली इन बिहार. Panchayati system is the backbone of our democracy. Still even today also the Panchayati system is a backbone of our democracy. Then democracy in the 20th century. Next topic, democracy in the 20th century. The end of this Second World War was temporary victory for democracy in Europe. Then end of the Second World War के बाद में then starting the democracy in Europe. Then Japan had moved towards democracy during the Taisho period. Say in 1920s, the Taisho period, this Japan में that is democracy development हो गया. Then India became so do you know this? Whenever India became the sovereign socialist republic, democratic republic, whenever this 1950 we got the freedom. So 1947 में freedom हम लोगों की मिल गई इसके. Then after so 1950 so India became sovereign socialist democratic republic. Then so next para there's Latin America, South Asia and Taiwan, South Korea, some other Arab countries, African states that also moved towards democracy in 1990s and 2000s. That also these are the countries that moved to this the Republican state. Next para, next देखिए this very important one, that also one question long answer. Second question, discuss the principle and characteristics of democracy. That is important question. Please learn this question. I already given these answers. Then next principle, इसके बारे में हम लोग अभी पढ़ते हैं. Then first point, sovereignty rest with the people. What is meaning of sovereignty rest with the people? That means who are ultimate powers. So do you know who are ultimate powers? So then this people. So what is government gets all its power from the people and is answerable to them for the use of these powers. Government उसके ये रूलिंग करने के लिए उसके किसकी पावर चाहिए? That is power, the people's power. So you know this, what is democracy? The power in the hands of people. Then next, so liberty, that is very important characteristics of democracy. In a democracy, everybody is free to express his opinion. अपने opinion बोल सकते हैं. Then to form, associate, to follow religion and criticize the government. That is the liberty. That's a freedom to the people. This opinion, अपने opinion बोलने के लिए, association करने के लिए, then religions वगैरह क्या follow करने के लिए, even this government की criticize करने के लिए freedom है हम लोग की. Then next point, equality. Then equality is the pillars of our democracy. It is then in democracy everybody is given equal status. Then like as is economic, political, civil rights. Most important one, there is no discrimination between caste, religion and color, then rich and poor, etc. Did you understand this point? Equality, that is very important one, that is the pillars of democracy, and this all everybody is equal status, and like us is economic, political and the civil rights, etc. The most important one क्या है? There is no discrimination between caste, creed and the rich and the poor, etc. The next point, fraternity. Fraternity, what is the meaning this fraternity? Bhaichare, this brotherhood. The democratic government, it is based on mutual goodwill and fraternity. That is the important one, that is the base of the mutual goodwill and the fraternity, that is a friendship. But what is fraternity? Means friendship and coexistence among all people. Then it is promote, क्या promoting करते हैं automatically? That is mutual love, respect between person, different societies, communities, etc. Then this led to, so automatically क्या होते हैं? That is, this is led to the strengthenance of our nation. The next point, state and government are just and end. This means the state and government always try to promote the interest of the people. They always try to, the state and nations वगैरह, so always this government, the state क्या always क्या इच्छा करते हैं? That is promote to the interest of the people की interest, that is very important है. government की very important है, people की interest वगैरह. Then provisions, next point, provisions of right. Then what is this provisions of right? This means in a democratic government, peoples are provided social, economic, religion, political and cultural rights. Our constitution and government rules are formulated for protected the such rights. हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्या स्ट्रेस करते हैं? दैट इज द राइट्स वगैरह, द पीपल्स राइट्स, लाइक एस इज सोशल, इकोनॉमिक, पॉलिटिकल राइट्स. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, what is next point? The regular elections. Next point, our seventh point, regular elections. So at a fixed time. So do you know what is regular elections in our state? That is a fixed time. The people elect their own representative. People elect their own representatives directly or indirectly. Then indirect, and then this administration. So administration run करने के लिए so people select their representatives directly or indirectly. Then what is the duration of the elections? Then the duration of the elections 5 years. For 5 years, after 5 years, the government, the people elect their own representatives. The present time, so who is ruling our country? Which party ruling our country? BJP. That is the majority party, this BJP ruling our country. Then the rule of majority. So next point, इसके बारे में rule of majority. Majority के rule क्या है? Then so in general elections, whichever party gets majority. So whichever party in the general elections, whichever party majority got the majority, and they will form the government. Then present, this BJP ruling our country, they got this majority in the elections, general elections. Next, rule of law. So next, in a democracy, the government does not function individual. or a group of individuals. एक गवर्नमेंट रूलिंग कर सकते नहीं, एक अकेला और ग्रुप ऑफ इंडिविजुअल के साथ रूलिंग कर सकते हैं, बट इसकी फिक्सड लॉ चाहिए, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द रूल ऑफ लॉ. It runs according to some fixed laws. That law is very supreme. It is known as rule of law. Then political party. The democracy that is very important one. This political freedom of the political parties, form the political parties. Okay, this completed this point. Then we call these points once again. The sovereign rest with the people, liberty, equality, fraternity. State and government are just means and an end. Provision of rights, regular elections, rule of majority, rule of law, and this plurality of political parties. Okay, so understood this part. Then one questions remaining, long answer, that will give through the WhatsApp for homework. Please learn this question, principles of democracy, that is otherwise the main characters of democracy. The आगे class में भी that is very important है these questions. Please learn this answer, long answer, very important one. Okay, bye, have a nice day.